All right, well, it's definitely feeling warmer out there, but the wind.
It's
Make it
ruining
go
the
away,
party.
Aaron.
If I could control the weather, let me tell you, it'd be a lot more exciting here. But
75 and sunny. 5 days
every
a
day,
week.
every
Yeah,
day.
7 days a week.
That's all I'd want. Low humidity, like the summer, a light breeze. That's when you want the breeze in the summer. I would. But unfortunately, that's not my job. It's just to tell you what's already happening or gonna happen. And that's what we have outside right now. Temperatures are pretty warm. Unfortunately, these aren't feeling like this. I mean, Portland is not going to feel like 48. It's feeling like it's actually in the low 40s. A lot of the state feeling like we are in the 30s. So it is quite a bit colder outside. I'd say knock off just about 10 degrees from this temperature for your feels like temperature outside. But overall, this is this nice sign that we are getting to spring. It is a spring at this point, so we're getting there slowly but surely. Those wind speeds, though, are continuing outside, which is why we have all your feels like temperatures sitting quite a bit lower. We've gusted up to about 25 miles an hour today, sustained wind speeds around 10 to 15 overall. We'll notice these calming down a bit more as we go into your day tomorrow, and then even more as we go into your day on Wednesday. So it's still going to be a little bit noticeable as you go through your Tuesday here. Now, low temperatures tonight and then into tomorrow morning are going to still be decently cool. We're going to be below freezing for everybody. A lot as you go further inland in the mid to low 20s, and with that light breeze still. These are like the teens in some places, so brace for another cold morning tomorrow because the heat's just all escaping and that wind is going to knock those feels likes down once again. Now, as we look a little bit further into your week, we have a couple rounds of some precipitation possible as we go through there. We have this warm, mild air that's really working its way in here, which is helping us stay a little bit more warm right now. But as we go into your day on Wednesday, we're going to notice some cooler air shifting in. Not going to be in the 20s all of a sudden, but it will start to get a bit cooler. And when some of that cold air combines with some moisture from this low pressure system, we will start to have a little bit of snow and some mix moving back into your forecast. Southern Maine, not seeing as much, probably more in the way of rain this time around. But even as we move into this is a pretty weak system. Nothing too notable with that one. The next one we're watching a little bit more is going to be coming as we go into your weekend. It's going to move towards our area Saturday night into Sunday morning is the timeline we're looking at for this one. It's still just a little bit up in the air about how much snow or rain, because temperatures at this time of year, we need the temperatures and the moisture and everything else to overlap to get snowfall because we're just a little bit too warm most of the time. What we're expecting for Thursday with that weaker system, not too much. Southern Maine and the southern half of Maine, not really expecting to see much of anything, more just rainfall at that point in time. When you head up more north towards the county, that's where we're getting temperatures and then because of that, snow. That's a bit more notable, but again, this is nothing. It's not too much overall. It's a pretty weak system at that point in time. Temperatures for the rest of the week, and the reason we're seeing those problems is because we're staying decently warm. Normally we'd be around 43. We're going to stay above that as we go through your week overall, so it will be slightly above average as far as your temperatures are concerned. Seas are 2 to 4 feet for tomorrow, gusts up to 20 knots on the water. A couple nice days here still in the forecast, so we will have pretty nice stuff. Weak system on Thursday. We see that one I'm talking about coming on Saturday. That's that storm system coming late Saturday and through your day Sunday. If you're on the coast, just add a couple more degrees onto those temperatures, but overall, not seeing any major differences as we go through to that point in time. So it's a couple nice days still in the forecast, just still a little breezy tomorrow.
Yeah. Hey, keeping our eyes on the sunshine.
That's all
Way
I
to
care
go.
about. So.
Thanks, Aaron.